Welcome to 127 Glenview Drive. I'm Brian Khatambakhsh and this is Roxana Koshandish. We are from Khatambakhsh Real Estate Team. This beautiful home is located in South Mississauga, just 2 minutes north of Port Credit in a community called Mineola. Street is full of mature trees and great neighbors. Home is located on the extra wide lot and a really private backyard, an entertainer's dream. Pool, sunroom overlooking the pool, and really good mature trees.
Yes, absolutely. This charming, well-loved home was enjoyed by the owners and their families and friends for over 39 years. It now awaits its new lucky owner to enjoy it and start making their fun and precious memories. Let's go and take a look inside.
Come on in. That was a beautiful home, wasn't it? If you fall in love with this house and you have a house to sell, don't worry. I'll guarantee the sale of your home so you can make an offer for this. Call me to find out more details about this exclusive offer, 647-848-2652. And have a fantastic day.